Hey, what's going on? Hey, I've been noticing a lot of people searching for a way to have video calling on the Stylo 4, particularly for Boost Mobile. This is the one that I know. But check this out. If you want to do video calls, all you got to do is when you're going through your messenger, your basic messages or whatever, where your default messengers for the phone, all you got to do is go there, and then when you click on the name or the message itself, within the message, you'll see a little video next to the phone dialer. So basically, when you're in Messenger or messaging, the one that comes with your phone, just click on one of the messages, and at the top you'll see a little video. You can do video calls with that. It's right next to the phone. If the person doesn't have a little video recorder right there, like a little camcorder looking symbol, that's because they don't have video calling. Alright? Let me know what you end up finding out.